Today on Southern Gardening, we're taking a look at 3 eye-catching selections of Coleus that prove flowers aren't the only way to add color to your landscape. First up is ColorBlaze Pepper Flakes Coleus, and this plant looks like someone sprinkled the leaves with colorful garden confetti. The foliage features a beautiful blend of deep burgundy, red, and green tones, creating a pepper flake pattern that gives this variety its name. Like many Coleus varieties, it holds its color beautifully throughout the growing season and performs well in the intense summer heat. Next is ChargedUp Prismatic Coleus, a true standout in the garden. The leaves display a striking combination of rich purple, magenta, and green shades with a dramatic, almost painted appearance. The foliage creates a jewel-toned effect that catches your eye from across the landscape. This variety has a strong, upright growth habit, making it excellent as a focal point in mixed containers or as a colorful addition to flower beds. The third selection is Coleus ChargedUp Keylime Fringe, and this one brings a completely different look to the garden. The bright lime green foliage has a unique fringed edge that adds incredible texture and movement. As the leaves mature, they develop subtle variations in color and add depth and interest, making every plant look like a living piece of art. Whether you're looking for bold colors, unique textures, or a plant that thrives through the heat, these Coleus selections are ready to bring a burst of beauty to your landscape. I'm Eddie Smith, and I look forward to seeing you next time on Southern Gardening.